Hello everyone, welcome to Primus Learning. It's Aziz here today, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how to create an AWS account. So to create an AWS account, first you can navigate to AWS Management Console, aws.amazon.com. Then I'm going to click on sign in, and then I'll create a new AWS account. Here you want to provide the email that you want to use for this particular account. Here I'm going to provide an email that I want to use. And then here you need to provide an account name. So I'm going to just call it Primus Learning. And then verify email address. So I'm going to, if you check the email address that you use for the account, you're going to receive a verification code. So I'm going to go ahead and input this verification code. Then verify. After I verify, I need to provide a password for the root account. So after you verify the password, the next steps, you want to provide your contact information. So I'm going to select personal for my own projects. Then I'm going to provide my phone name here. Then here you want to provide your number. So I'm going to provide my number. Select country. Accept terms and privacy conditions. Or select the region. Then now here you want to provide your credit card information. So I'm going to go ahead and provide my credit card information. So after providing your credit card information, now you need to go ahead and confirm your identity. So I'm going to reselect again, country. And then I'll type in the characters.
Please type the numbers you hear. 1 0
0 5
5 4
So after you put in the information successfully, then you're going to receive a call from AWS where they're going to ask you to provide a PIN that was shown in the screen. And after you provide the PIN successfully, then you're going to get into this next step where here you're supposed to select the plan that you want to use with AWS. So currently there are three basic plans for AWS. You have the basic support, which is having the free tier eligibility. Then you have the developer, which you're going to be paying $29 per month. And for this, you're going to have some support from AWS where you can be able to receive a response whenever you open a support ticket for 12 business hours. And then you have the business support where you're going to have 1 hour response time for every ticket that you open. So for a start, we are going to go with the basic support, which gives us the free tier limit where you can be able to play around with AWS and use some services. So let's go ahead and click on complete sign up. And then click on go to management console. And then let's provide a root user email. And then the password. And we are logged into our AWS account. So thank you very much, guys. This is how you create an AWS account, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Please don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment if in case you face any issues creating an account. Thank you very much.